Springtime in the park.
What a beautiful day.
It really is, isn't it?
It feels so nice to have some sun.
Finally, spring is here.
I agree. The cold was getting boring.
Definitely, I hate winter.
Look at the flowers over there.
They are beautiful, aren't they?
I love the yellow tulips.
Me too. They are my favorite.
Do you come to this park often?
Only when the weather is this good.
That makes sense.
How about you, Sarah?
I try to walk here every day.
Even when it rains?
Well, no, not when it rains.
I thought so.
Spring weather is a bit unpredictable.
That is very true.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm just enjoying the warmth.
Good. Let's keep walking then.
That sounds like a great idea.
The path is so pretty today.
It really is.
I am so happy spring is finally here.
Me too. Let's walk more.
Summer vacation plans.
It is so hot in here today.
I know, it is really humid.
I'm ready for a vacation.
Me too, definitely.
Are you going anywhere in July?
I think I want to go to the beach.
That sounds perfect for this heat.
Which beach do you like?
I love the one near the city.
The one with the white sand.
Yes, exactly that one.
The water is cold there, though.
That is good when it is hot.
You have a point?
Are you going with friends?
Maybe. I'm still deciding.
You should go soon.
I know. The summer is short.
It goes by so fast.
Do you like summer, Elena?
I love it, but only if I'm at the beach.
I feel the same way.
Are you going to swim?
Yes. I really want to swim.
That sounds amazing.
I cannot wait for the weekend.
Me neither.
Let's hope for sunny weather.
A windy autumn afternoon.
Wow, it is so windy today.
I know. My hat almost flew away.
Autumn is definitely here.
Look at all those leaves on the ground.
They are beautiful, though.
They are. I love the colors.
Orange, red, and brown everywhere.
It is a bit cold, isn't it?
Yes, I should have worn a thicker jacket.
Me too. This wind is freezing.
Do you want to get a coffee?
That is a great idea.
Let's go inside the cafe.
Yes, let's get out of the wind.
I need something hot.
Maybe a hot chocolate?
That sounds perfect.
I like autumn, but not the wind.
Exactly. The wind is too much.
Does it get this windy every year?
Usually, yes.
I forgot how cold it gets.
November is always like this.
You are right about that.
Let's hurry to the door.
Okay, let's go.
I can't wait for my warm drink.
Me neither. Let's go in.
The first snowfall.
Come here. Look out the window.
What is it?
It is snowing.
Oh, you're right.
It is the first snow of the year.
It looks so beautiful.
Everything is turning white.
It is coming down really fast now.
Should we go outside?
Only if we wear our coats.
And our boots.
Yes, it will be cold.
I love the snow, though.
It is fun to walk in.
Do you have a good scarf?
I think so. Let me look.
I have mine in the closet.
Good. We should be warm.
How long will it snow?
Maybe all night.
That would be nice.
It will be pretty in the morning.
Let's take a walk later.
Okay, that sounds fun.
Don't forget your gloves, James.
I won't. Don't worry.
This is such a nice surprise.
It really is.
Caught in the rain.
Oh no, it is raining so hard.
I know I did not expect this.
Do you have an umbrella?
No, I forgot mine.
I have one, but it is small.
Can we share it?
Yes, come closer.
Thanks. That helps a lot.
This rain is like a storm.
I agree. It is very heavy.
Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes. Is it late?
I think so. It should be here.
I hate waiting in the rain.
Me too. I'm getting wet.
My shoes are soaked.
Mine too, unfortunately.
Is it supposed to stop soon?
I hope so, but I don't know.
Look, is that the bus?
Yes, it is coming.
Finally, I am freezing.
Me too. Let's get on.
After you, keep the umbrella.
No, let's keep it open.
Good idea.
I'm ready to be home.
Me too.
Checking the weather forecast.
Did you check the weather for the weekend?
No, not yet.
Let me look on my phone.
What does it say?
It says it will be cloudy on Saturday.
Just cloudy?
Yes, but no rain.
That is good news.
What about Sunday?
Let me see.
It says clear skies.
Oh, that is much better.
So we can go on our trip?
Yes, Sunday is perfect for the trip.
Should we go on Saturday too?
Maybe we can stay inside.
That is true.
Are you packing now?
I'm going to pack tonight.
Good. We should leave early.
I like the weather forecast.
Me too. No rain is great.
Are you excited?
Very excited.
I will bring my sunglasses.
Definitely for Sunday.
This trip will be fun.
I think so too.
Picnic plans.
Do you think we can have a picnic?
I'm not sure.
Why not?
Look at the sky.
Oh, I see some clouds.
Yes, they look a bit gray.
Will it rain?
Maybe, I don't know.
I have the basket ready.
We have good food.
Let's wait 10 minutes.
That is a good plan.
If the sun comes out, we go.
And if it rains,
We can eat in the kitchen.
that works for me.
I really want to sit outside.
Me too. The park is nice.
Look, is that sun?
Let me look.
Yes, the clouds are moving.
You're right.
It looks clearer now.
Let's pack the basket.
Should we go?
Yes, let's go now.
I am so hungry.
Me too. Let's walk fast.
A cold winter night.
It is so cold tonight.
I know it is freezing.
Do you want some tea?
That sounds amazing.
I will make some hot tea.
Can I have a blanket?
Yes, here is one.
Thank you. I'm very cold.
Winter is hard, isn't it?
It is. I prefer summer.
Me too. I dislike this weather.
At least we are inside.
Yes, we are warm here.
Do you hear the wind?
Yes, it is very strong.
I'm glad I'm not outside.
Me too. Stay on the sofa.
This tea smells good.
It is ginger tea.
That is perfect for the cold.
Here you go.
Thanks, Noah.
Are you warm now?
Much warmer, thank you.
Let's watch a movie.
That is a great idea.
Winter is okay inside.
You're right, it is cozy.
Discussing favorite seasons.
Which season do you like best?
I think I like autumn.
Really? Why autumn?
I love the cool air.
I prefer summer.
Because of the heat.
Yes, I love the heat.
I don't like being too hot.
Fair enough. Summer is intense.
Exactly. I like sweaters.
That makes sense.
How about winter?
I only like winter for the holidays.
I agree. The holidays are fun.
But the cold is bad.
Yes, the days are short.
Do you like spring?
Yes, I like the flowers.
Spring is nice too.
It is the best balance.
Maybe you're right.
So, summer is your favorite?
Yes, definitely.
We are very different.
We are, but that is okay.
It makes it interesting.
I agree.
Let's have another coffee.
Shopping for new clothes.
I need a new jacket.
The weather is changing, right?
Yes, it is getting cold.
This one looks nice.
Let me see that.
It is blue.
It is a bit too big.
Try the smaller one.
Okay, let me find it.
Here is the small size.
Thank you. Let me try it.
It fits you very well.
Do you think so?
Yes, it looks good.
Is it warm enough?
It looks like a winter jacket.
That is what I need.
What is the price?
It is $50.
That is not bad.
No, it is a good price.
You should buy it.
I think I will.
It is perfect for the season.
I agree.
Now you're ready for winter.
Yes, finally.
Let's go pay for it.